engines roar. I'm climbing the sky, leaving the ground, and the city lies behind. Over the waves where the sunlight breaks, chasing the line where the blue sea shakes. Scott travels.
Hey everybody, Scott Travels. 6/18, a Thursday. Thursday. Going out for a drink and a burger. Woo! It's been a rough week to answer or do any show. I mean, yeah, after 7:30, try to get something to eat, come home. Yeah, I don't have time for a show. Sorry. Royal Caribbean. Oh, wow. Royal Caribbean's private beach club in Nassau. Yeah, where you dock, I point over to it. Yeah, there. Had a huge fight. And the DJ kept playing the songs. Because, you know, gotta have music to your brawls. San Diego Belmont Park. What does it say? I'm like, what is it? A $16 million reno. Wow. That's awesome. There's rumors floating around, but I can't find anything about the Six Flags that have been sold off. One group says they want to renovate some of them. Not just put your crappy sticker over the sign and say, it's not Six Flags, it's Jerry's Park. National Theme Park next door to the Grand Ole Opry. Have you ever been there? I mean, they even said there was a roller coaster inside. I would look into this further, but wow. Is cruise tipping out of control? Harlan America is up to $18 and $20 a day. And they say, don't worry, they go to the staff. Sure, Jan. They don't understand. Yeah, what? They're paying everybody, so you don't have to pay anybody, and then all the money goes to you? Yeah, we know how it really works. Have you been following the soccer? It's been interesting. Here's a couple of pictures of the Scotland guys visiting. They drank up at Sam Adams and ran out of Sam Adams somehow. I know that's not the brewery, but there's a remote Sam Adams drinking bar. I took you to one of them. Then they've been kicking around soccer in, I think that's Quincy Market, and they've had some fun times. Say that. Have you ever watched any of the soccer game? I have to deal with it. It's at the Patriots Stadium, football stadium. One's tomorrow, 6/19. You know, I don't even know who's playing. It's just going to be terror because they closed down the highway to one lane. Yeah. Royal Caribbean did it again. I'm sad. I'm disappointed in you. They're overbooked a cruise. And not only a cruise, an Alaska cruise. And they're asking today, the 18th, if you could cancel for the 19th, tomorrow. Now, I'm sorry, most of us who go to Alaska is already in whatever town it is by today. So tomorrow morning, you just take the taxi, Uber, go back to the airport, get on the bus. You know, whatever. However it works. Then go to your Alaskan cruise, because Alaska's a big one. And, I mean, they must be desperate, because they're doing 100% back, 100% future cruise credit. Wow. So, yeah, I covered everything. Soccer's been crazy. And it'll be crazy tomorrow, too. So, maybe I could get some footage of some, you know, rolling down the one lane and watching everybody walk there is. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't know what happens or how that will work. Thank you for your support. Thank you for like and subscribe. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you watching my shorts, my breakfasts, my all my adventures. We'll be going on a cruise soon. Where? I can't even tell you yet. But, all right. Thank you and have a good night.